Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Leatherworking Tools Kit is probably one of the most essential investments a budding artisan or seasoned craftsman can make, offering a comprehensive suite of instruments designed to shape, cut, stitch, and finish leather with precision and ease, transforming raw hides into exquisite bags, wallets, belts, and more, thereby unlocking a world of creative possibilities and the satisfaction of creating durable, beautiful, handcrafted goods that stand the test of time and elevate personal style. Number 5. MORFEN Leather Sewing Kit. Introducing the MORFEN Leather Sewing Kit, your all-in-one solution for leather repair and crafting. This comprehensive kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Inside, you'll find everything you need, including various needles, waxed thread, an awl, and a thimble. These rich tools are designed to meet all your different repair and crafting needs. Crafted with high-quality materials, our needles are durable and resist fraying, ensuring long-lasting use. The wax thread has the perfect amount of wax, making it a great helper for repairing damaged items and saving you money. This kit includes a variety of hand-sewing needles, such as triangle-pointed, straight, and curved needles. Their strength and diverse shapes are perfect for tackling different projects with ease. The wax thread glides smoothly through the leather sewing needles, making the stitching process effortless. You'll find it convenient and complete, whether you're a professional or just starting out. Unleash your creativity with this versatile kit. It's ideal for sewing various materials like leather, denim, canvas, and even heavy-duty fabrics for upholstery, carpets, and more. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of needle types and sizes, making it incredibly versatile for various stitching needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for repairing items like car seats or sofas, this is an excellent choice. It's designed to handle heavy-duty tasks and save you money on professional repairs. What people say. The leather carving tools are sharp and well-made, making it easy to create intricate designs. This kit includes a variety of stamps and punches, offering great versatility for different leatherworking projects. The swivel knife is adjustable and comfortable to hold, allowing for precise cuts and smooth movements. Number 4. PLANTIONAL Leather Working Tools for Beginners 02. Embark on your leather crafting adventure with our all-in-one starter kit. It includes everything you need to begin creating immediately. This compact kit comes with a convenient storage bag, featuring a 7-in-1 groover, wax threads, an awl, and essential tools for a seamless start. Crafted from durable steel and wood, these tools are designed for longevity. Enjoy a comfortable, non-slip grip and rust-resistant, smooth surfaces. Easily work with various materials like leather, denim, and canvas. Create custom handbags, belts, keychains, or repair upholstery with ease. Master techniques like tooling, carving, finishing, and sewing. Leatherworking is a rewarding hobby for those who love hands-on creativity. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This high-quality beginner kit is an excellent choice for friends, family, or anyone wanting to design unique leather items. What we like. This is a fantastic entry-level kit, perfect for those just starting their leather crafting journey. It comes with a convenient storage bag and all the essentials to begin immediately. If you're looking for a gift for a creative friend or want to explore leather crafting as a hobby, this beginner-friendly set is an ideal starting point. What people say. The leather carving tools are sharp and well-made, making it easy to create intricate designs. This kit includes a variety of essential tools for leatherworking, such as punches, awls, and a cutting knife, providing a comprehensive set for beginners and experienced crafters alike. The leather stitching groover creates a clean and consistent groove for stitching, which greatly improves the finished appearance of leather projects. Number 3. 72 PCS Leather Working Tools Kit with Storage Bag. Introducing a complete leather working tools kit designed for all your crafting needs. This set includes everything you need for carving, stamping, sewing, and cutting. All 72 pieces are neatly organized in a custom leather storage bag. This ensures you never lose a tool and makes it easy to take your craft anywhere. The kit features an awl, stitching punches, groover, tracing wheel, thimble, scissors, wax thread, and various needles. It covers all your leather sewing requirements. Equipped with wool daubers, stamping tools, a swivel knife, and skiving tools, you can easily bring your carving and stamping designs to life. Instructions are included for guidance. Crafted from high-quality materials, these tools are built to last and are simple to use. They are perfect for a wide range of leatherworking processes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this kit is your perfect companion. It's an excellent gift for anyone passionate about leather crafts. What we like. This extensive set boasts 72 pieces, including specialized tools for carving and stamping, alongside sewing essentials. All tools are neatly organized in a dedicated leather storage bag, making it easy to find what you need and to carry around. If you're a beginner or professional who wants a comprehensive kit for both sewing and decorative leatherwork, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The quality of the wax thread and metal to be good. The beveling stamps, the curved needles and wax thread, the thimbles, the swivel knife, the 1- and 2-prong punches, the edge groover, and the burnishing tools were used the most. The tools are decent quality for the price and will let him see how it goes before spending more money on better tools. Number 2. FifthQuarter 458 PCS Leatherworking Tool Kit. Introducing the FifthQuarter 458 PCS Leatherworking Tool Kit. This comprehensive set provides everything a beginner needs to start their leathercraft journey. We ensure only quality tools reach you, protecting your hobby and keeping you safe. Each tool undergoes a strict inspection process for your peace of mind. This kit contains 458 essential pieces, offering everything you truly need for leatherworking in one convenient package. Keep all your tools neatly organized in a sturdy zip-up case. With dedicated slots for each item, you can easily find what you need, making your crafting process smoother. This kit comes with instructions, making it a perfect starting point for beginners. It simplifies various leatherworking operations like cutting, stamping, stitching, and carving. No need to buy tools individually. This kit meets all your needs for creating leather crafts, allowing you to begin your projects right away. What we like. With an impressive 458 pieces, this kit provides an overwhelming amount of supplies and tools, ensuring you have everything you could possibly need for any leatherworking project. It emphasizes quality and practicality, and even includes a guide to help beginners. If you want a massive, all-in-one solution that covers cutting, stamping, stitching, and carving, and you prefer not to buy tools individually, this is the kit for you. What people say. The leather carving tools are sharp and well made, making it easy to create detailed designs. This kit includes a variety of punches and stamps, offering great versatility for different leatherworking projects. The included stitching awl is comfortable to hold and allows for precise stitching, even on thick leather. Number 1. BUTUZE Leather Tooling Kit. Discover a complete set of leather crafting tools designed for all your DIY projects. This kit includes everything you need for basic leather making, from specialized tools to essential supplies. Everything is neatly organized for your convenience. Heavy tools come in a durable roll bag, while smaller items are safely stored. An included manual ensures even beginners can start crafting right away. Achieve perfect results with our specially designed edge skiving tool. Its unique radiant head ensures even thickness when peeling, allowing for more intricate and professional-looking DIY leather creations. This kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, including repairs on carpets, upholstery, and even heavy-duty items like tents and mattresses. You can use it to sew various materials like leather, denim, and canvas. Crafted with the needs of enthusiasts in mind, we prioritize high-quality tools. This hand-stitched set is built to last, ensuring you can rely on it for all your crafting endeavors. Choose with confidence. What we like. This kit is thoughtfully assembled with 55 essential tools, including a specialized edge skiving tool for precise finishing, all stored in a convenient roll bag. The emphasis is on durable construction for long-lasting use. If you're a professional or beginner who values precision and needs a reliable set for various projects from carpets to upholstery, this elaborately crafted kit is a great option. What people say. The leather carving tools are sharp and well made, making it easy to create detailed designs. The kit includes a variety of punches and stamps, offering great versatility for different leatherworking projects. The ergonomic handles on the tools provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.